In this video, we will show you how to install the Honorlock LTI tool within your Blackboard course. First, open the Blackboard course in which you wish to install the Honorlock LTI and navigate to a location to install this tool. For most faculty, this will be the Course Content tab. Once in the Course Content tab, hover the mouse over the Build Content link and scroll down to the Honorlock LTI tool. Click this link, and at this point you want to name the Honorlock LTI tool something that is descriptive to either you or the students. If you are deploying an exam within Blackboard, then something descriptive for the instructor is most appropriate. Something like Honorlock Proctoring Results, because this is the location in which faculty will be looking at any proctoring results of exams within Blackboard. However, if you're using a third-party exam, and you're wanting to use Honorlock to proctor that third-party exam, this descriptor needs to be more student-oriented. So Honorlock proctoring for exams would be something that is more appropriate. Once you have decided on the name of your LTI tool, scroll down and click Submit. At this point, Honorlock has been enabled for your course, and your students are ready to have their exams proctored, whether they are deployed in Blackboard or through a third-party system. To see any results of exams that have been proctored, you would click the Honorlock Proctoring link, and you would see any results for exams that have been enabled for Honorlock. If you wish to learn how to enable Honorlock for a specific exam that has been deployed in Blackboard, please see the video on enabling Honorlock for exams.